वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 6 का कर्नाटक स्टेट बोर्ड इंग्लिश फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज, इसमें फोर्थ की पोएम रेन इन समर। तो इसके सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। तो इसमें फर्स्ट प्री रीडिंग टास्क में आपको दिया है कुछ क्वेश्चंस। व्हाट डू पीपल डू व्हेन इट रेन हैवीली? द आंसर इज दे स्टे इंडोर। Second question, do they sit inside their house? The answer is yes, certainly. Third, do they go out and work? The answer is no, they do not. Fourth, do they enjoy walking in the rain? The answer is no, they do not. इसके वोकेबलरी देख लेते हैं। फर्स्ट है फेरी, इसका आंसर है लुकिंग लाइक फायर, हॉट एंड ब्राइट फ्लेमिंग। क्लैटर, द आंसर इज मेक रैपिड शॉर्ट नॉकिंग साउंड। हुप, द आंसर इज हनी पार्ट ऑफ एन एनिमल्स फुट, हेयर्स हॉर्सेस। ट्रैम्प, द आंसर इज साउंड ऑफ हैवी फुट शेप, हेयर footsteps, here footsteps of running horses. Spout, the answer is pipe to throw out water from the roof. Gutter, channels at the side of the road to carry away rainwater. Tide, the answer is here swift flow. ठीक है, तो अभी इसके एक्सरसाइज देख लेते हैं। इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है टॉक टू योर पार्टनर अबाउट दिस पॉइंट इन द पोएम, गिव हिम हर योर रीजन्स फॉर व्हाट यू से, राइट डाउन व्हाट यू से। फर्स्ट sub question, the poet says it was dusty and hot. What was dusty and hot, and what does the rain do? The answer is the narrow lane and the broad and fairy street was dusty and hot. The rain clatter along the roofs and gushes out through the spout. It cools the weather and drives away the dust and heat. B, the poet is watching the rain from his portico. True. C, when do raindrops clatter on the roof? In first one, whenever heavy raindrops fall. Second, when it is drizzling steadily. Third, when there is a heavy downpour. तो सी का आंसर है थर्ड पॉइंट, व्हेन देयर इज अ हैवी डाउनपोर। डी, द क्लैटर साउंड लाइक अ ट्रैम्प ऑफ हुप्स, सो वी मे से दैट द पोएट्स हाउस हैज। इसमें ऑप्शन है अ टिल रूफ, सेकंड अ टिन रूफ, रेनफोर्स कॉन्क्रीट रूफ, फोर्थ अटैच्ड रूफ। द आंसर इज सेकंड अ टिन roof. Question E, where does the rainwater flow? How does it flow? The answer is the rainwater flow into the gutter. It flow down like a roaring river with a muddy tide. F question, why does the poet welcome the rain? The answer is the poet welcomes the rain because it will cool the atmosphere and wash away all the dust in the surrounding as clean the air. Question 2, explain the meaning of the following phrases to your partner. First, fairy street. The answer is the summer sun was very hot and the stream seemed to be on fire. The heat was intense. B, gush and struggle out. The answer is it rains heavily all of a sudden. The rainwater from the rooftop had to come out through the drainage pipe. Water gushed out of the pipe and struggled out, throwing the dust and garbage from the roof top and in the pipe. Question 3, imagine what Longfellow saw, heard, felt, smelt and thought. Tell that to your partner. Write down what you say. Begin like this. The answer is the sun was hot. There was dust everywhere. Suddenly there was the sound of the raindrop. With that came the smell of the hot earth. The raindrop made a big noise on the tin roof. Water started flowing out of the drainage pipe with the dust and waste in brown color. Heavy rain followed and water dripped down from the window pane of the houses. Rainwater channels were full and it seemed like a river overflowing. It looked like a muddy tide. Next question. The poet uses two similes. Tell your partner why you like them or not like them. The answer is like the tramp of hoops. इसमें the sound of the raindrops on the roof is compared to the footsteps of running horses. The simile is very apt. Like a river down the gutter roar. The answer is the rain water started running like a river in the gutter with loud sound. This comparison is also very correct. Writing. Fifth, imagine for a moment what a heavy downpour does to the city. Some dweller write 6 sentences about their woes. The answer is the slum is in a low area, so water rushed into the houses, destroying all electric and electronic item. All the clothes became damp, firewood dampened, and no food for the family member. Menfolk who are outside are unable to come home. Ladies at home are frightened, and children float boats in the water around the house. All the ration at home went to waste. Question 6. A long phrase is given below. Some words are incomplete. Complete them. The beautifully downpouring, roaring, flowing, cleaning, welcome rain. Ask your partner what word go in the blank in the passage given below and write them down. Imagine for a moment an Indian farmer sitting in his farm and looking up at a cloudless sky. He would be shading his eyes from the bright sunlight with his hand and wondering where have all the cloud gone. When it starts, it will water the pressed and cracked earth and ready it for tilling. It gives life for the dining crop. The farmer will be happy. But in this poem, you will see a different kind of person, a city dweller. He is standing at the door of his study, watching the sky outside. He says, rain is pouring down. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.